guys, it's really sad news, but like, we need your help again. John Wick is on a battle bus that's been hijacked by ISIS. We'll get demonetized if YouTube finds it. Not that we're making money off it. Whatever. Let me get to the point. The battle bus is heading towards the Twin Towers. We need your help. The hijacker people demand your credit card information.
It's a really long joke.
To stop themselves.
They'll just teleport the plane
They
away.
need to buy medication and they don't have money.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse.
Look.
Yeah, put epic Naruto music.
The fuck are you looking at? I'm embarrassing Connor joke again.
No.
If it ain't been for Connor, that's fucking hot. Alright.
Do the funny thing.
Back to the rice field.
Do the funny thing.
Are you oiling it?
Yeah. But fuck. Feet.
Eat her.
I'm not eating the baby.
Dude, make her eat the cucumber.
No, it's my
No.
Just like shove it down your throat.
That doesn't sound very holy.
In the words of our vice principal, consent doesn't matter.
In the words of our principal, age is just a number.
Qwerty, if you click that lighter one more time, it's gonna explode.
Hey guys, Auntie here. So when we recorded Cooking with Qwerty, I had my mic pretty loud. So please excuse the fact that it sounds like I have a fucking fan in the background. Sorry about that, but hope you guys still enjoy the next segment of Cooking with Qwerty. The rest of the video should be fine though. Hope you guys enjoy.
What are we making today, Chef Qwerty?
We're gonna make a nut. No, it's tuna. PWCS, can you shut up during my tutorial, please?
How about no?
Anyways, this part is very dangerous, so get parental fucking issue. You get the tuna, alright? And you just... Holy, what the fuck is this made out of? It fucking...
Pizza roller, bro.
This is not fair.
I have a blowtorch.
I'm just gonna barbecue the bread. Alright, we got us a knife. Make sure to tell your parents to fuck off during this moment. You're a big boy now, bitch. You can do this. The tuna is fucking leaking out. Oh god.
Chicken tendies.
Stop.
Okay, I got it. Okay guys, we gotta add some sweetness in there and some like BBC real quick. The banana. I think it's done.
Yup. Yo, take a bite out of it. You will not.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Gross! Oh, it's so bitter.
Baba Booey.
No, fuck that.
Oh my.
I'm a pyromaniac.
Yes, exactly.
Anyways, that has been Wasting Food with Qwerty.
Come back for part 2 when MacMan eats a bottle of butane.
Subscribe to my gaming channel, or I'll find where you live and rape your mom.
That's a deal.
That's a deal right there, bro.
That has been it for Cooking with Qwerty. Hope you guys enjoyed. We forgot to do an actual outro, so yeah. Bye.
It's for a video.
You guys like piss?
Maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna come. I always come.
He beats women. He beats women.
Christian moms against Anthony Fantano home Facebook.
Wait, is that a thing?
Yeah.
Wait, that's the image? The fucking Anthony Fantano with a shotgun or something?
Yeah. Gateways to Satanism in modern culture. Gang weed. Rap music, in quotes. Video games. Democratic Party. Family Guy.
Family Guy. But how is that teaching your kids anything bad? I mean,
Obamacare.
what?
DeviantArt. Memes. Anthony
Wait,
Fantano.
wait.
iCarly.
iCarly.
Too Much Air. Bill Nye. Certain gay bars.
Certain gay bars, not all of them. All right.
Anthony Fantano's not only a Satanist, but he is a homosexual. He gave a score in one of his V-longs to David Bowie. The dead gay of a 9. Protect your children. But he has a wife. Be
Wait,
thankful that your children don't watch Anthony Fandango.
Fandango. Anthony Fantano looks like the kindest guy ever. He just looks like a soccer dad.
This is important.
What is? Fuck. These photos I was reading and then I saw like the right. What the fuck? Okay, let me keep reading. These photos depict life filled with anxiety and mental illness. The fuck?
Christian dads against gang weed. Please no slonking.
Please no slonking. What?
Not only does he review the devil's music, he also committed a mass shooting. If your kids have ever watched Anthony Fantano's e-blog videos, we encourage you to find a therapist to ensure your child's well-being.
Encourage good decision-making skills in your children by educating about why sex, drugs, and alcohol are wrong. Epe! 6'4". I
What?
love this.
Stop.
I like this image though. It's 02 with a chef hat and a sweet AK-47. Okay, next time I shoot up a school, I'm doing that.
We're on the list. Names: Stewie Griffin and Kanye West.